In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a document in DocHub. DocHub is mainly known as a PDF editor and converter, but it also supports a variety of file types. If you upload supported files like Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheets, text files, images, or GIFs, DocHub will typically convert them into a PDF version automatically. That makes it a convenient tool when you want to view, edit, or sign documents in one place. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to go to the official website. Make sure you're selecting the legitimate site so you can sign in safely and access the proper dashboard. When the site opens, sign into your DocHub account. If you're already logged in, you'll go straight to the dashboard. This is the main area where you can upload and manage your documents. From here, you have a few ways to upload your file. DocHub gives you multiple import options, which is helpful depending on where your document is stored. If your file is already saved on your computer, open the folder that contains the PDF you want to use. Keep that folder window visible because you'll need it in the next step. Now simply drag the PDF file from your computer folder and drop it anywhere onto the DocHub dashboard page. This is often the fastest and easiest method. Once you drop the file, DocHub will begin uploading it so you can open it inside the platform. Give it a moment if the file is large or if your internet connection is a bit slower. If you prefer not to drag and drop, there's another option. Look for the Select Files area on the dashboard, then click the down arrow right beside it. This opens additional upload choices. From that menu, you can choose where to import your document from. Available options may include your device, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, and possibly other connected services. This is especially useful if your file is stored in the cloud instead of on your computer. Just select the source you want, locate your document, and upload it into DocHub. Once the upload finishes, your document will open in DocHub and be ready for viewing or editing. If you're working with a non-PDF file, remember that DocHub may convert it automatically during the upload process. And that's all it takes to open a document in DocHub.